So hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, one-step solution for all your placement needs. So friends, today we have Harshvardhan here, and first of all, I wanted to congratulate him for his success in LTI. And friends, many of the students were also asking the interview experience and what will be the rounds will be in LTI examination. So Harshvardhan is here to help you guys and to guide you. So Harshvardhan, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
And welcome to the platform. So Harshvardhan is one of our student and he has followed our videos and our materials. And today he has got his result in LTI and he is from 2021 batch. So yes, Harshvardhan. So I wanted you to tell the students like what was the round where there, okay? What was the difficulty level of the questions, the number of questions, and if you know about the cutoff, so that also you can tell. And then followed by the HR and the technical interview, okay? So you can start
Yes,
with
sir.
that.
Yes, sir. So LTI is an on-campus recruitment process.
Okay.
So it consists of mainly 3 rounds. First one is the aptitude and coding round,
Mm-hmm.
and the second one is, the first round. In the second round is the technical interview, and the third round is HR.
Okay.
Uh, So in the first round, you'll have aptitude questions, 10 questions,
Okay.
logical reasoning, 10 questions,
Mm-hmm.
verbal reasoning, 10 questions,
Okay.
and also you'll have 40 technical MCQs.
Mm-hmm.
After that, you'll also have a paragraph writing question.
Okay.
Then you'll have a psychometric test.
Okay. Okay.
After completing all of these, you'll
Mm-hmm.
also have a coding question.
Okay.
You'll only have one coding question to solve.
Okay.
So after this first basic test, you'll have the technical interview and the HR interview.
Okay. Okay.
So while coming to the aptitude part, you
I mean
need to
round
know the
one part.
basic.
Okay.
No, sir. Yes, sir. The basic aptitude, you'll have 10 questions to solve.
Mm-hmm.
There, you need to know all the basic aptitudes. There is nothing tough in that. You can crack it by just seeing the sir's videos. All
Mm-hmm.
the basic aptitude questions were asked there.
Okay. Okay.
And
Okay.
second, after that, you'll have 10 logical questions.
Mm-hmm.
So logical questions were a bit tricky. You'll have a time complexity there. You need to solve them in a little time. So
Okay.
they'll take a lot of time. And
Mm-hmm.
after that, you'll have 10 questions for verbal. They are
Mm-hmm.
also easy if you know the basic verbal.
Okay. Okay.
And after that, you'll have 40 technical MCQs where concepts like OOPS,
Mm-hmm.
basic programming language,
Mm-hmm.
uh, 1 second. Yes, sir. Pseudocodes,
Mm-hmm.
and also basics of SQL, basics of HTML, and software development lifecycle, and also basics of operating systems and networks were asked in those 40 technical questions.
Okay. Okay. So quite it
Yes,
was
sir.
expanded. A lot of things they had asked. Good. So LTI is
They
very
have
good company
covered,
actually. Yeah.
yes, sir. They have covered all the topics that are important.
Okay.
Uh, and after that, you'll have one paragraph writing where they'll just give a random question, like a normal paragraph question to
Mm-hmm.
write.
Mm-hmm.
In 10 minutes, you need to write a 200-word paragraph.
Okay. Okay.
And after that, you'll have a 20-minute psychometric test where they'll judge your personality by posting 80 or some questions
Mm-hmm.
that you need to just answer in yes or no.
Okay.
And after all of this, you'll have a 60-minute coding round
Mm-hmm.
where you need to solve one question.
Okay.
And my question was counting number of palindromic words in a sentence. That was the question given to me.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You can solve it in any language that you know.
Okay. 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 So the
So this
choices will be
this
choices of language will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So this is the whole basic first test that you need to attempt in LTI.
Okay. So I have a
So
question here.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what was the platform on which you gave this LTI examination? Like it
It
was conducted by CoCube, SamCats, or something like that.
it was conducted on Metal, sir.
Okay. 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 Fine.
So in Metal, you cannot skip. You cannot interchange between sections.
Okay. So you have
If
to.
you are attempting the aptitude round,
Mhm.
aptitude 10 questions,
Mhm,
you
mhm.
cannot come back or you cannot come back again.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So, and also it was fixed timing for each section, 10 minutes and 10 questions.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the first round, okay, so it was nice. So, was there any cutoff, something like, okay, we have to score 50%? I mean, are you aware of or how it is?
I mean, there is a cutoff, but they didn't let us know, sir. It was confidential for them. So
Okay, okay, great, great.
after, I mean, it depends on how many members they want to take. So,
Yes, yes, yes.
and we didn't know the cutoff for that.
See, that's, that I wanted to hear from you, because the same thing when I answer the student, like, see, the cutoff is not fixed. It depends upon, see, in some college they want only 10 student, so they will increase the cutoff.
Mm.
If in some college
Yes,
they
sir.
want 1,000 student, so they will decrease the cutoff. So that's what I wanted to hear from you, because to you students will listen more. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. So when was your exam and the date, and when did you get the, the result for that? And then you were called for a technical interview, if you can recall.
I mean, I don't know the exact date, sir, but it was end of last month.
Okay, okay.
And after the first round, they
So,
almost took a week to announce the results.
okay. So something
One
like
week, sir.
August last week, 2020, you had the exam,
Yes, sir.
and then the first week
Yes,
of
sir.
September, the result.
September, I got the result.
Oh,
Yes,
you
sir.
got the result for that. Okay. And then,
I mean,
so
result for the first one.
first round. So after how
Yes,
many
sir.
days they called you for interview, technical interview?
After first round, also they took over a week for the
Mm-hmm.
second interview.
Okay,
I
okay.
mean, in the second week of September, I attempted my second round,
Okay,
and
great.
after one day, you'll have your HR round. Those
Okay.
two were back to back.
Okay, so technical interview, we will talk about that. So what were the questions asked from you? Yeah.
Yes, sir. So basically, technical interview first, they asked me to introduce myself,
Mm-hmm.
and afterwards, they had my resume. So they asked me about my projects and internships.
Mm-hmm.
We had a discussion of that for some
Mm-hmm.
time.
Mm-hmm.
And I've mentioned DBMS in my resume. So
Okay.
he started asking questions on DBMS first.
Mm-hmm.
And then there was a question
So
where,
can you let us
yes,
know some questions like from the DVMs what all he asked? So can you elaborate a bit what all the questions were asked?
actually, when he started DBMS, he directly asked what is the difference between DBMS and RDBMS, sir.
Okay.
So I told him the difference between them. Then he asked what are the special features that RDBMS have.
Mm-hmm.
Those were the two questions that were posted to me.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, he asked about software development lifecycle. Do you know about software development lifecycle?
Mm-hmm.
So I told him, and he wanted me to explain in depth the
Mm-hmm.
whole software development lifecycle.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, he asked a question like, what is the difference between procedures and functions?
Okay.
So I didn't know what procedures were then.
Mm-hmm.
I just told what functions are.
Mm-hmm.
Then he asked me to, okay, he told me that after this interview, get to know about that procedure.
Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
said, yes, sir. Okay, sir, sure.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and afterwards, he took a project of mine, a specific project of mine, and
Mm-hmm.
he started posing questions like, what are the softwares that you used? How
Mm-hmm.
did you code this?
Mm-hmm.
Those
Okay.
were
Okay.
the few basic questions that were asked.
Mm-hmm.
And that was it, sir. That was the basic technical interview that I had.
Okay.
And
Okay.
few other of my friends,
Mm-hmm.
they asked to write code for their projects also.
But how the
I
in
mean,
virtual interview, how are you going to write the code? And so you have to write it.
yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
No, sir. For now, they asked us to write on a paper, sir. That's it.
Okay, so you have to write on paper and then you have to show it to them like
We
this.
have to just show them. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
And I mean, there were so many panels, so it
Mm.
depends on the interviewer who is asking. Not
Mm-hmm.
everybody were asked to write code,
Okay,
only
no, no,
few
no.
of them.
Okay, but I just wanted to understand like how they were writing and showing it to the
Yes,
interviewer.
sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So and the video quality will be also very good on the. Okay, so your interview was on which platform again? Metal or
No, sir. Interview was on Microsoft Teams, sir.
okay? Okay, so the clarity will be good when you are showing the image. I don't think it depends upon your laptop camera quality as well. So even
Yes,
if you
sir.
write,
I think they were just testing our, if he's writing or not, something like
yeah,
that. I
yeah,
don't
yeah.
know because I was not asked to write the code.
Okay, okay. No,
Yes, sir.
because of this question, no, many student is having. So basically, I'm sitting here behalf of all the students. So whatever a student has the queries, so that queries is coming to my mind, and I'm asking you. Okay,
Yes, sir.
great, great, great. Okay.
This was my technical interview experience, sir. And
Okay.
after 2 days, they shared the results,
Mhm.
and I had the HR round.
Mhm.
If you have any questions on technical round, you can ask me, sir. I'll tell the HR next.
No, so it went for how many minutes, this technical round?
Yes, sir. It almost went for 15 to 20 minutes, and majority of it was discussing about my project, sir.
Okay. So they had your resume, or they asked you and then they started asking you on project.
No, sir. At the time of applying itself, they'll ask your resume and few other documents. So
Yes.
they
So
had they had my resume.
okay, so from there they were asking. Okay, we can move to HR round then.
Yes, sir. So in HR round, she asked me to introduce myself first,
Hmm.
and then she asked why LTI.
Okay.
I answered it,
Hmm.
and then she saw my resume again,
Hmm.
and she also discussed about my internships and my projects all together. She
Okay.
just asked, what was your internship about,
Hmm.
and projects also. What do you think the use case of this project? Something like that.
Okay.
She asked all the questions of my internships and projects, sir. Then she asked me to explain software development life cycle, sir,
Okay.
again.
Hmm.
And after that, she has given me a scenario.
Hmm.
The scenario was you're in a restaurant where the restaurant owner doesn't have knowledge on these coding and nothing.
Okay.
He was just an owner.
Hmm.
So, as a software engineer, you
Hmm.
need to develop an application for him
Hmm.
to calculate all the expenses that he's having.
Hmm. Okay.
I mean, all the expenses. That was the scenario given to me, sir.
Hmm.
So it was indirectly again a question of software development lifecycle. So
Hmm.
you need to explain all the steps of the software development lifecycle in that scenario. It's
Okay.
like the first step is like collecting data. So I'll ask him what all the requirements that he have,
Hmm.
something like that. So it's basically software development lifecycle, so that we need to answer to that question.
Okay, so how good you are at SDLC? I mean, software development lifecycle. So you can explain in a very good way, or how it is? Because I wanted to give you a brief to the student, because they will also come to know what is SDLC, and if because this is a common questions in the interviews, they will definitely ask. So if you can put a light on that in few
Yes,
minutes,
sir.
like 2-3 minutes, if you can explain. Yeah.
Yes, sir. SDLC has basically five major steps, sir.
Mm-hmm.
First is collecting data.
Mm-hmm.
Second is analyzing the data, and third is developing the project.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth is testing the project, and
Mm-hmm.
fifth is deploying and maintaining the project.
Okay.
So these are the five main steps covered in software development lifecycle. So whenever you are given a scenario like that,
Mm-hmm.
you just need to act upon all these five steps. First, you need to collect data from the user. What all the data, or I mean, what all the features that he want to be
Mm-hmm.
in the application.
Mm-hmm.
Then you need to analyze, like if it is a web application, you need to build the database now.
Mm-hmm.
So we
Yes.
just need to figure out all those things in the analysis part.
Mm-hmm.
How we are going to build, what are the software that we are going to use, and what are the tables that we need to create for the database. These are the things that we need to solve in analysis.
Okay.
And then we'll have development part where we sit and write the whole code for the application.
Mm-hmm.
And then there is the testing part where we need to test all the fine and last cases. I mean, those we need to check for all the cases that need to be solved. And
Okay.
fifth is the deployment and maintenance of the project. These are the five main steps of SDLC, sir.
Okay. Great. So this will definitely help my students. Okay. So after
Yes, sir.
this SDCL questions, you had any other question?
Yes, sir. There was one typical HR question
Mhm.
like, what will you contribute to the world after 10 years?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nice
That was the
question.
question given to me.
So what did you answer?
Uh,
Just I am curious to know, like, so what did you answer? Like, how you are going to contribute? So after 10
yes,
years.
sir. So I told them that I had a normal idea in my mind.
Mm-hmm.
So I just told her that I want to build an application for my college,
Mm-hmm.
for my college or any college,
Mm-hmm.
where the alumni will have a platform to interact with the present or outgoing students, where they can share the any like internships and projects that are there. So if I am an alumni in my company, if there are any openings, then I can directly share it to my students, my juniors who are passing out this year.
Oh, that's
So
great.
yes sir, I told that I want to build an application like that. Then she was impressed with that. And after that, she also asked me one question like, what is the current emerging technology that you know? What is a promising technology that you know? She asked me, sir.
Okay.
Then I told that the online study platform is very promising, and we can know content like from any person in the world, and you'll have a lot of content to be known. I told her that online platforms is the current best scenario. I mean, best technology.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir. So after that, she just asked, "Do you have any questions?" That's it, sir. That was my HR round.
okay, so after how many days you got the result?
I mean, after HR round, after one day, I got the result, sir. After one day.
Okay, great. Congratulations once again. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
Thank
now
you.
I wanted you to, like to say students like how to prepare and whatever you want to, just say them to build a confidence so that they will work on that and they will try improving. And then I would also like to focus you on like how our channel is helping them and how is the quality of our materials.
Yes, sir. As far as I concern, the first round is very important round, sir, because if you are not qualifying in the first round, then there is no chance that you get a job. So I think everyone should be, they need to be very fast, and I mean the aptitude, the logical reasoning, they need to be very fast in doing that one,
Okay.
because that is the first step, and there is no second chance given in that.
Yeah, that is true. Yeah, okay.
So it's just even if you lose by 1 mark, then you'll be disqualified.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I
So,
think we need to focus a lot on the aptitude and the verbal and the
mm-hmm,
logical part first.
mm-hmm,
And after that, whatever you write in the resume,
mm-hmm,
you should be very confident of it,
okay.
because even if the interviewer asks some question and you don't know that question,
Mm-hmm,
the interviewer might ask a next question from your resume because you have written something in that.
correct.
Because when my interviewer asked me about procedures, I
Mm-hmm,
didn't know what procedures is. So I
mm-hmm,
told him directly, sir, I don't have an idea on procedures, sir.
mm-hmm,
I just know functions.
mm-hmm.
So then after that, the next question he asked about is my resume.
Okay.
So even if you need not know all the questions, because
Mm.
nobody knows all the questions. So
Yes,
I think
that's true.
one should prepare very well with his resume. If he's writing something in the resume, he should be pretty confident in answering that, because if you don't even answer your resume question,
Mm-hmm.
that will leave a very bad impression to the interviewer.
Okay. Great. Yeah,
And
that's.
coding question is, I would suggest you to there are a lot of platforms like HackerRank and HackerEarth.
Mm-hmm,
You solve from the easiest to, you can go up to medium to hard level.
mm-hmm.
There what happens is you'll cover a lot of questions.
Yes.
Like my question was a direct geek for geek question, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
I had solved that before, so it was very easy for me to solve in that.
Yeah, that's what
So if you
even in our material also. So we have put lot of questions similar to hacker rank and hacker earth. So even if they don't want to go on the that kind of platform, so we have also that kind of similar materials which where we have
yes sir,
covered these quality questions, because there are
yes sir,
now the exams is like many of the exams are happening on the platforms like hacker earth and hacker rank itself.
yes sir.
Yeah.
And if you solve more number of questions, then you'll directly know, if a question is directly known to you,
Mm-hmm.
you'll solve it very quickly.
Mm-hmm.
And even if the
Correct.
interviewer asks how did you solve that question, you'll explain him very neatly, because you
Correct.
have already solved it.
True.
Yes, sir. Uh, yes, sir.
And yeah, so how our channel is helping a student. So I just wanted to know from the selected student so that it will leave an impact on the student, those who are preparing. They will have a trust and because they will be looking to many other channels and they will get lot of confusion. So I wanted to put focus on that as well.
Yes, sir. While I was watching your channel, first I was watching about the interview experiences of the students, sir. So I was looking for, how a specific company is interviewing people and what are the questions that are being asked. So that really helped me a lot because I have known so many questions from so many interviewer experiences, so that I was mentally prepared for my interview.
Okay, great,
And
great.
after that, yes, sir. So I've also seen videos where you give like 5 to 10 questions you explain all the 5 questions in one video, sir.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
and yes, sir. And those also helped me because uh, I myself understood like 2 or 3 questions which before I didn't know how to solve, but I saw that video, one specific video, where you solve 2 or 3 models which I didn't know.
Okay, okay, okay.
So yes, sir, they also helped me a lot. Uh, and also I think most of your videos will have a lot of diverse content with different students and their different interview experiences. And also one more thing, yes, sir. Nowadays you are sharing a lot of links now, sir, to apply for jobs. They
Yes,
are
yes, yes.
also very useful, sir. I was
Oh,
applying for every link that you sent, sir.
okay,
They
great,
are
great.
also really helpful because it is difficult for someone like us to find so many links in the Google or something. I just need to subscribe to you and you'll just give me the links that are coming, and that was really helpful, sir.
Oh, great, great. So NCR also you apply. NCR is a, I think you would
Yes,
have
sir.
all.
I applied and sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So now you should look for the greater package. So what was the package of LTI?
So I told you, sir, in the first round there are the MCQs and the coding question.
No, no. I'm
If
talking
you,
about. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. So there is some
yes, sir.
conditions on package as well.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
If
Please.
you are qualified for the MCQs part,
Mm-hmm.
you will be given a 5 lakh package.
Okay, okay.
And if you also solve the coding question, then you'll be given 6.5 lakh package, sir.
Okay. So you are selected for 6.5 lakhs package.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, yes.
that's really great, man. So, and really
Yes,
great to
sir.
have you here and guiding the students. And one more request from my side. So they will be definitely putting some comments on the comment box. So I wanted you to reply to the people how much is possible. I will not tell you okay, just reply each and everyone, but just try to help as many as possible, because see, I am trying to make a chain where each student will be helping some other student, because see, the good work, no, whatever the good work you will do, it will come to you in some ways. So definitely
Yes, sir.
it will be there. So once
Yes, sir.
again, yeah.
I'll be active in this comment section, sir, for this video for sure.
Thank you. So once
Yes, sir.
again, so it will be uploaded by today. So once
Okay,
again,
sir.
thanks a lot, Harsvardhan, for coming to our platform and guiding the students. So it is really very much, I'm really very much grateful to you personally. So thank you once
Thank
again.
you, sir. And thank you for you also for, inspiring so many students and giving a very good content to all the students, and keep up the good work, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So we will take off from the session. Take care and all the very best.
Yes, sir.